I have a recovery mission of my own, actually. Now, it's not a big dozer, it's not like a big bobcat or anything stuck, like a piece of heavy equipment. I have nothing like powerful to tow anything out with. But I do have a snowblower, and I have a John Deere lawnmower that's stuck all the way back in the back of my property in a shed. I didn't realize it was a dumb place to put it. In the fall time, and in Wisconsin, we're in the snow belt. We have so much snow up here, and this year we have a crazy amount of snow still. You can see how high the snow banks are. I mean, that's just wild. And then all the way back there is where that lawnmower is located. So let's walk on back. Let's crunch through this. It's actually pretty hard packed stuff. Oh my God, I don't know how I'm gonna do. Oh jeez. So the idea is gonna be trying to get the started, which is my Tuesday solo, and trying to cut half through this out. Winding up for the lawnmower, do like back up, and make sure everything's on board with it, trying to handle all this. And then select this wood. We'll place our final units. Show you how we deal. Jeez, I'm gonna have to shovel that out. Okay, there she is. Nice little John Deere. Definitely not giving this thing to the landlords. I'm getting this thing out at all costs, so. Got a nice motor on it. She runs and drives great. Still got some air in the tires. Okay. Looks good. All new fuel lines, fuel filters. See if you got any gas in here. It's a stick down there. And we got a little bit of gas. We have to top that off, but yeah, so this is going to be the recovery mission for the day. But let's get cutting with the snowblower and see what I'm able to do. And this could go really smooth, or it could be an absolute disaster. And in that case, I don't have anything to lose because. All right, so we're gonna see if the old two-stage snowblower fires up. It's been reasonably reliable since I fixed it. Had terrible problems when I bought it. The guy's like, it's gonna be a great rig. It's only ran for 1 year. It's practically brand new and blah blah blah. Look at the tires. Geez, he was running these things on flat tires. They don't hold air. I have to pump them up every time I use it. But anyways, what you guys have probably noticed is that I got long hair now. I got a ponytail. I got ugly since my last boat video. I'm sure everyone's sitting there being like, what the hell happened to this guy? But no, I'm just rocking the long hair. Wife hates it, but you got to do it. You know, once in your life, you got to grow the hair out. You got to ponytail it out, and you just got to rock that look. Like, you have to have those photos from when your kids look back on you when you're, you know, a young guy, and the kids look back and they're flipping through the photo album and they're like, what the hell was Dad thinking? And then the mom will just be like, I don't know. You couldn't get him to cut it. So guys, remember, you have to go through your long hair phase too. It's not just me. All right, so remember that. Let's get this thing started. I'm gonna run some power to it, prime it up, and off we go. Choke. Okay. Oh, I had the kill switch on. That's the problem. Giving her a little top up, a little fresh.
Little Joe wants to come see you.
Yeah, hey doggy, how you doing? Okay, cap on before any snow gets in there. All right, let me fire it up. Yeah, you're gonna have to wear headphones, baby, because this thing is crazy loud. All right, let's keep plowing a path. Been doing this about 20 minutes and I've gotten about, let's pace this off, a quarter of the way there. I'm going to change the batteries out and keep on going. When I was walking on top of it, not the same, because when you actually stepping into the trench is completely different. We're good knee high here. All right, and this door is frozen in. You have to chip this ice out. It budges, but it looks like frozen ice right there. Once it came down off the roof, we got ice dams all around our house, so I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, so this track on the John Deere is a 42-inch cut. That's a 42-inch at the widest point from side to side. And my snowblower is a 26-inch. So that means that 26 plus 26 would be 52 inches wide. So I should theoretically have about 4 inches of clearance, right about. And I think I got this thing wide enough now. Look at that, all the way there. Nice little trail cut. This snowblower, or the lawnmower, should be able to ride up and over this and break this thing out. Look at how deep that is. That's past knee high right here. That's pretty. It's wild. Look how clean of a cut that is, too. Just cutting right through here, all the way up. It's a lot of snow I moved. Coming through here, and we're gonna be able to blast right onto the road. All right, battery, some tools to put it in. That. Slam that battery in there. That door won't open far enough. Got it. All right. Now we can get the tools in here. All right. So this battery was in here for months while it was frozen. So we will see if this thing's got any juice in it or not. finger tight's good enough. Maybe you don't even need the tools. Okay. All right. Oh, I got some numbers here. We're gonna see. Come on, baby. It's been all winter. This thing hasn't started. Here we go. Full choke. Oh, come on.
A few moments later.
Weird. This tire is flat. That one right there is flat too. Why is this not starting? Could just be out of fuel. Give her another shot. Here we go. Alright. Well, looks like I probably am out of fuel. Okay. I'll give her one more shot. Let's see. Yeah, this fuel tank is completely dry. I got some fresh gas. Gonna top that off. I think this battery's got enough juice to kick it over and start her up. I'm hoping it's just the gas and she'll start going for us pretty quick. We got more snow coming this afternoon, so I'm kind of in a time crunch before another snowstorm gets here. I'd like to have this thing parked in the garage and ready to get sold. Dump some fresh gas in the back. Added small engine gasoline. Hopefully that will get us, that's enough to get us there. Ooh. Okay. Slap the cap on. All right. Here we go. Turn her up. Give her a start. Come on, baby. Full choke. Jeez, come on now. A little more weight on it. God, so much. Ugh. Ugh. So much fumes in here. Okay. Just started back around out. All right. Good job, baby. Thank you for driving that.
It was zero. It was zero.
I couldn't have done it without you driving it. There's no way. All right, let's get a. All right, that's the team right there. We're the recovery team. This is our little recovery video.
Yeah.
We had a
Nice to
stuck
see you.
lawnmower all the way in the back in the shed behind the lot, and took us all day to snowblow our way back there, and we got it. Yeah, we got the lawnmower out. Got blood on my hands. Oh.